The Hollyland Lark M2 microphone is the smallest, lightweight and most compact wireless microphone I have seen, and I wonder how they managed to make this still sound great. It is the successor to the Lark M1 microphone, which was already a great product known for its reliability and quality in the world of compact wireless microphones. As someone who has extensively used the Lark M1 and now using the Lark M2, the M2 stands out with some interesting features that I am so excited to share, like how the mic is so versatile and modular and it can take different forms and styles. Also, the Lark M2 has some improvements and new features that make it even better. In this review, I will share my experience with using the Lark M2 microphone and why I think it is a great choice for content creators. The Hollyland Lark M2 microphone comes in 3 versions: the combo version, which is $179, the camera version, which is $159, and the mobile version for iPhone and Android, which is $149 and $139 respectively. The combo version, which is the one I have, is compatible with both cameras and mobile phones and comes with USB-C and lightning adapters. So if you need this mic for different situations and devices, I think you should go for the combo version. The camera version is only compatible with cameras and doesn't come with adapters for mobile connectivity. By the way, the audio of this video was recorded using the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. I only adjusted the gain by adding a compressor, and that is it. So tell me what you think about the sound quality in the comment section below. The Lark M2 microphone comes in a sleek box that contains the following items: a charging case that houses 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, 2 magnetic coins for attaching the transmitters to your clothing, 2 magnetic clips for clipping the transmitters to your clothing, 2 adjustable neck bands with magnetic coins for wearing the transmitters around your neck, a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging the case, a lightning receiver for using the mic with your iPhone, a USB-C receiver for using the mic with your Android phone, a TRS cable for connecting the receiver to a camera, 2 windscreens or mufflers for the transmitters, some paperwork that includes a quick start guide, an after sales or warranty card, a compliance info booklet, and a packing list card. There are some stickers here with emoji faces so that you can cover the Hollyland logo on the mic if you desire a less obvious setup, and I like that you even get black and white stickers here too if you want a completely discreet setup. The unboxing experience was very satisfying as everything was neatly packed and organized. There are a lot of things in the box. There's also a drawstring bag here to aid the portability of all items in the pack. Let's talk about the design. The charging case has a nice industrial and boxy look that I love. The transmitters have built-in omnidirectional microphones, which are the metallic grill parts at the top, and they can capture sound from any direction. Pressing the yellow button on the transmitter turns the noise cancellation feature on, and this mode turns the light green. When you connect the mobile receiver of the Hollyland Lark M2 to your phone, it unlocks a clever feature. The transmitter begins to work as a remote control for your phone's camera. This works seamlessly if your camera app supports recording through the volume buttons. Simply press the button on the transmitter twice to start recording and then press it twice again to stop. This intuitive control makes it incredibly convenient to manage video recordings directly from the transmitter without touching your phone. The main receiver maintains the same industrial look and feel as the case, and I appreciate the addition of a manual dial to adjust the microphone's volume. This feature was absent in the Lark M1, making finely tuning the mic gain challenging. Previously, I frequently adjusted my camera's gain settings to achieve optimal audio quality, but this dial on the M2 simplifies the process significantly. The volume LED lights turn green to indicate mono mode when the mode button on the receiver is pressed. The Lark M2 microphone also has a very versatile and modular design that allows you to use it in different ways. You can attach the transmitters to your clothing using the magnetic coins, just like I'm doing now, and you can also attach the clips and convert them to regular or traditional clip-on microphones. Or you can use the magnetic pendant provided with the neck bands to hold the mic around your neck. So for usability, it is quite versatile, and I really like that. One feature that I've started seeing a lot these days on compact microphones like this one is the ability to charge your phone while the receiver is plugged into your phone's charging port. And I like that you can do that here through the USB-C port on the iOS or Android receivers. This is a very useful feature if you will be filming for a long time and you are worried about the battery life of your phone draining. Just wanted to let you know that the sub to the channel would really really mean a lot to me. Alright, I have been using the Lark M2 microphone for a few days now, or a few weeks, and I'm very impressed with its performance and sound quality. And that is considering the price of this mic, which is half of the cost of the DJI mic I also own. I have used it for various purposes such as voiceover recordings indoors for my videos, including this video, recording videos outdoors in a noisy environment, and for virtual meetings. I've also used it with different devices such as my camera, my iPhone, my Android phone. I would say that for the price and the size of the transmitters, the sound quality exceeded my expectations. The noise cancellation feature works as it can reduce the background noise, but the trade-off is the voice quality. It starts sounding processed and robotic. So I would rather not use this mode and use the voice isolation feature in Final Cut Pro to remove background noise or ambient noise if I ever need to. We're outside in Enugu and this is the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. So this is essentially what it sounds like outdoors. This is a noisy environment. As you can see, the cars moving on my left and on my right, and the mic is currently tucked into my shirt with the magnet, so it's quite a strong magnet. For it to be able to hold the mic even with this thick jean, it's a strong magnet. Now this is with the noise cancellation mode turned off. I'm going to press the button now and activate the noise cancellation so that we can compare the quality of when the noise cancellation is off and when it is on. So I have the noise cancellation turned on right now. The noise cancellation is turned off. The noise cancellation is on. And it is off. So what do you think? What do you think? Do you think it's better with the noise cancellation mode turned on, or it's better off without it? Okay, so I'm going to test the transmission range. I'm going to test the connectivity now. So how far can it go before it starts breaking? Right, so I'm about 4 meters away from the microphone and my camera. So I'm going to move further away. Okay, testing, 1, 2. This is about 10 meters. And I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I hope you can hear me. So what happens if I turn around and I lose my line of sight to the camera itself? Okay, so let's double it to 20 meters. I'm about 20 meters away from the microphone. I hope you can still hear me. And what happens if I turn around? Can you still hear me? Let's double it, let's double it, let's double it. And now, perhaps 30 meters or 40 meters, I am so far away from the camera. So far away from the camera. That lens is actually 50 minutes lens. So I think it's 80 meters right now. So what do you think? Yeah. I expect the audio quality to be diminished at this point, right? So if the mic is able to get to this point, that means it's a fantastic one. Yeah, but if you maintain a direct line to the microphone, you wouldn't have any problem. Where you start having issues is when you turn around or where there are obstacles, you know. Yeah, so that's essentially the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. Yeah, so what do you guys think of this mic? The Lark M2 microphone has delivered good sound quality in most scenarios. The voice sounds clear, crisp, and upfront without any distortion or interference, but lacks the bars I have seen on my DJI mic. Let us now discuss money. The Lark M2 microphone is priced at $179 for the combo version, which is a reasonable price for a wireless microphone of this quality and versatility. The Lark M2 microphone offers a lot of value for money in my opinion, as it can provide excellent sound quality, long battery life, wireless transmission, noise cancellation, stereo and mono modes, and compatibility with both cameras and mobile phones. But I wish it had a dedicated headphone jack for monitoring audio. I also wish it has internal recording just like my DJI mic. But the Lark M2 microphone also comes with a lot of magnetic accessories that can enhance the user experience and convenience, which I also wish had a space in the case. I absolutely think the Lark M2 microphone is a great investment for content creators who need a wireless microphone that can work without spending as much as $300 or $400 for the DJI mic or Go Wireless mics. Like and share this video if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I post another video like this one. Also check out any of the other videos currently on your screen right now, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.